welcome. Today guys, I want to share with you all a recipe for a jerk pork. And to make this, I have here 2 pounds of pork cut up into small pieces. For this, I'm using fresh seasoning along with some store-bought seasoning. For this store-bought seasoning, I'm using Walker's Wood. You can use any brand you like. For the fresh seasoning, I have some scallions, onions, garlic, ginger, hot pepper, some green seasoning. I also have some allspice powder. Here is the store-bought jerk seasoning. You're just going to need a little bit of this, some paprika, black pepper, and salt to taste. And you're also going to need some soy sauce. So to start, I'm going to add in the fresh seasonings into my food processor. I'm going to add in the green seasoning, a few dashes of soy, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of oil. And all you do is process this until it's very fine. To the pork, I'm going to season with a little bit of salt. You don't want to put too much of salt because that jerk seasoning, that bottle jerk seasoning has salt. And if you were not using the bottle jerk seasoning, then you can put a little extra salt. Now I'm going to put in some black pepper. In goes the allspice, the paprika, and the bottle jerk seasoning. And now I'm going to add in the fresh jerk seasoning that we just made. Mix. Once you've mixed in all the seasonings, you're going to cover this and store it in your refrigerator overnight, or I would say a minimum of 5 hours. So guys, the pork has finished marinating overnight, and I went ahead and I put it into this baking dish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this with foil, and I'm going to put this into my oven to bake at 350 degrees for about 1 hour. After that hour, then I will remove the foil and allow it to cook until it gets brown. You want the pork to get really tender, really soft. Now another option, instead of doing this in your oven, you can also do this on the stove. You can cook it in a pot on the stove on low heat, very low and slow, or you can put it into your slow cooker or your crock pot and let it cook until it's really soft and really tender. Okay guys, after I took the foil off, I put it back into the oven and I allowed it to cook for about 10 more minutes, or bake for about 10 more minutes. Now it's finished. All you have to do is taste it. Make sure the salt is okay. You would want to add your salt while it's hot, but this is really great to serve for cutters, or you can serve it as a side dish. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!